Entonces son talleres para enseñarle formas de cómo manejar diferentes emociones que ellos sienten y también las emociones que los niños sienten.
This week in TUSD, Heideman is connecting families to campus, offering classes primarily in Spanish that teach parents how to better support their students and themselves.
Siento que es interés de su parte de aquí de la escuela en que nosotros seamos mejores papás y podamos tener una mejor conexión con nuestros niños de formas sanas.
Estas clases nos ayudan a decir que primero somos nosotras como mamás para que nuestros hijos estén bien.
Que ellos son mis maestros, así como yo soy maestros para ellos. Estamos aquí para aprender uno a otro.
At Peters Canyon, creativity and skills developed in elementary music inspire students across all of their learning.
So I feel like when we listen to music and when we play music, it helps us, when we go back to class, it helps exercise the other side of the mind.
When you're being creative, you are learning something faster because you're using extra parts of your brain. It gives kids a chance to learn in a different facet. And kids that maybe are a little bit more self-reserved or a little quiet, they learn to express themselves.
It makes our confidence better, and then we can all do it together and see if it sounds right.
It can help build up courage to get better in any other subject.
Students from all 5 of our high schools experience Manufacturing Day at IVC, expanding their understanding of the possibilities that exist through and beyond their CTE engineering and manufacturing pathways.
Just doing this made me honestly excited for the future and learning about more ways that I could keep being involved in engineering and stuff. This field trip just kind of showed me all the various jobs and things that I could do to keep this in my future and stuff.
It gives me a feeling that I could end up doing something like that too.
It shows what I could be doing here with all these machines and what's a possible career I could be choosing to do.
I always know I have the resource behind me, such as the teachers, the friends that will always support me and prepare me for the future.
I'm really happy to be here, that I get to do something that I really love.
Pioneer Web students are honoring Hispanic culture, bringing music, food, and activities to our Wildcats in celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month.
It makes me feel good to be a part of Web and being able to bring this to people, because I feel like it's good to sort of introduce other cultures and make other people feel happy about embracing their culture.
I feel proud that I get to share with other students with different cultures. For them to learn about different cultures is very important.
It was nice seeing how the people in our school put different stuff out on the stage. It is very important for students to see that and also know the diversity of our school and how everyone's accepted.
We are TUSD! This is us!